Alright, we're back on Framework Fortune Crypto with a short crypto update. I will be back tomorrow live for a longer update and analysis on the market. But because I missed Monday's episode, I figured I would give you guys a little clip to see, what my thoughts are tonight, as we did have a rebound today on Ethereum, bouncing off of the 2,500 area, which we knew was going to happen most likely. Got all the way up to 2667, it looks like. Currently at 2646. So we just want to see this continued bounce back up, probably around to 2800 for a test of the downtrend. We are quite a ways away on the daily from the 200. The 200 is way up there. So just like when we get way off of the 200, we usually have some type of pullback to it, to the upside. Now that we're way off it to the downside, we should see it try to pull back to it again. And that will be probably the last test to see if Ethereum is going to break out again, or if Ethereum is going to crack down. I'm still on the bullish side. Nothing for me has changed because we are holding up, still building these higher lows at the moment. So we'll see if this breaks out. Same thing on Bitcoin. It was able to rebound and then got slammed back down here. Got a pretty sharp downtrend. Hitting about, what it hit? 36.5, but never dipped below these previous lows, so we're still building a high low at the moment. So if Bitcoin can just continue to push back up, same thing. Look how far it is away from the 200-day, and then when we scale back on the daily chart, there's the overall wedge. So if it does break back up, same thing as Ethereum, this will probably be the final test to see if we're going to get this big bull run or if we're going to a bearish market. Now, a lot of coins got crushed, especially in the NFT market, ones that are on the Ethereum network like Gods, dropping all the way down to $1.25. So at this point, I think we'll probably see Gods hit $1. Under $1, I don't think is very likely because this is such a low supply. However, the game is still new, and with all the uncertainty in all the markets right now, because the stock market, as we've been talking about, has been dropping. There's just a lot going on now with Russia and Ukraine, just Canada, all around the world, things are happening that is causing money to be moved around, and we are seeing a big hit to centralized exchanges, as the one, I think it was KuCoin or whatever, said, the president said to take your cryptos out of centralized exchanges and put them in decentralized wallets, cold wallets, but wallets that you only have your key and seed phrase to. So that has definitely not helped the case for any new projects. But like I said, I don't think it'll go below $1. I'd be surprised to see it under $1. We knew it possibly could go down to $1 if it did not bounce off of $2. And it broke right out of the bottom of that triangle. But the 50-day is way up here. So same thing as all the other plays. It's about time we started retracing back to these higher indicators because we were quite a ways off of them. But Olivium's down. It was looking good on this sloping channel, and then it just gave up. However, it did hit 500 almost, bouncing off of that area. I'm going to go ahead and delete these. IMX could not finish out the double bottom. It got rejected right at 250, and then it just dumped with the rest of the market. So we'll take that double bottom off. So 150 looks to be what it's going to try to hold as it's making a double bottom, but all these little rebound, this little green we're seeing today is not confirmation of any type of trend reversals on anything. We're just starting to go green and hold some support levels on the main coins like Ethereum and Bitcoin. But if they don't hold, then that is going to drag down the rest of these coins like it is doing. Solana actually dropping pretty low there, but still didn't quite hit the bottom of this little wick here. It's not dropped below that. So it definitely needs to hold up where it's at right now, or we're going to see 75 on it. Shiba still in its wedge with that support right there at quad 02. Having a little rebound. It's one that's building a higher low possibly. Then the Cosmos ecosystem. Atom has actually gave back a little bit, but $25 is held as support. It did dip down to 23.5, but it's already trying to get back up over 25. I mean, it's right there, 15 cents away at the moment. And it actually did already pop up over 25 a little while ago. This is what I'm starting to see here. If we bounce, even if let's just say we drop a little bit more, because we got plenty of room to drop. We could drop down to 20 on Cosmos, Atom. Let's say we do drop there. If we ride up the trend line and then have a rebound, or even if it's early or kind of rebound, we'll probably get rejected off of there, come down again to there, because if it doesn't, this would be the third time of Cosmos Atom testing that 45. If it does not break 45 and break over 50, then it may not even get a bounce on the end of this. But I'm still extremely bullish on Atom, so we'll see what happens with it. So that's it for today's crypto update. We'll be back tomorrow with a live stream crypto update with some more details and jump into a first look at a new project. So come join us for that. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, and also go check out frameworkfortune.com. It's free signups with email, and you can get access to the Discord channel where we have everything from stock trading to futures trading, crypto trading, and NFT trading, P2E gaming, all of that all in one. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Have a great rest of your night. Until next time.